what we do here is we get students some kind of like on-job training where they're in a training facility so that they can make their mistakes here instead of when they get out into the workforce. We work closely with EWIB, who is they get federal funds so that they can support the Greater Manufacturing of Connecticut, which is EMA. It's a group of manufacturers that got together. And we work closely with them to make sure that we give students to them so that they can fill the gaps in their workforce. So it's a really trusting relationship where we go back and forth and get, I guess, a special sauce to make individuals who are able to hit the ground running when they do get to the workforce. I love teaching. I love making people's lives better, and our program, there's a plethora of people and backgrounds that come into the program, but we change people's lives, and that's what drives me. I really love to make a change in the world, and if I can leave